What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I wanted to take some time out because I wanted to shoot a video and share with you guys with a way that you can earn unlimited instant commissions. And those commissions can go anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000. So with that being said, I wanted to share with you guys a company that I've actually been a part of since 2016. And with this company, it's so solid to where I never stopped promoting it. It was a one-time payment, and I literally was in, so it was kind of a no-brainer. So what I decided to do here, guys, was actually share this information with you guys as far as how I'm doing it with this particular program. So for the new person, so for the person that's new, the person that's looking to leave their job, something, if you're looking to wait for a way to make money, this is a program that I would definitely recommend. Why? Because you're getting a lot of training inside of it as well. See, a lot of times people want to join the online marketing space, but they don't know what they're doing. They don't know how to literally go out here and tell others about it. They really chase everyone off. So they'll go post a couple ads on their Facebook and say, hey, who wants to make $250 or $500 a day, when literally your Facebook page knows that you're not even making that. So what I like to do is show people how to go out here and generate leads, how to actually generate interest into your business, so that way you can get those signups and show people, hey, I am making $25, I am making $100 commission, I am making these different commissions. Now the product that I like to talk about is education. So I like for you to be involved in something, but this particular program, once you're in, you're in. So there's no monthly recurring charges or anything like that unless you're utilizing our marketing system, which that's something that literally does all the selling and telling for you. So while you're able to be out with your family, literally hang out, chill, you're able to learn, your business is still working for you, and you're able to bring these sales in on autopilot. Now that got to be a cool thing, to be sitting down with your family and you get a $500 commission, a $200, a $250 commission. That's an awesome thing. Now the only way you're going to get those is if you're positioned at the particular levels where you can actually make these type of commissions at. So with that being said, whatever position that you come in at, that's where you get the reseller rights at. So you can go out here and tell them you can sell the $25 level multiple times and earn multiple commissions. Now guys, I like to be very transparent on this, okay? So when you're signing up for the $25 level, it is what it is. You're not getting the cream of the crop training, but you're getting the things that are going to kickstart you to the next level. So you're going to get literally every set of training is a video series of marketing tactics that you can utilize. So at the $25 level, you're getting pretty much a lot of strategies as far as marketing, so on and so on. So at the $100 level, it gets a little bit better. Now the thing is that if you come at the $100 level, you're qualified for the $25 level and the $100 level. So now you can go out and make $125 commission. So now you don't have to just make 25s. You can make $100 commissions and multiple $25 commissions, and so on. Even with the $250. So as I go here and I look at the $100, you're gonna learn of things like Facebook, Pinterest, solo ads. Solo ads is something that I utilize till this day to build my list for me to market, to go out and share the videos just like this to my leads there, to say, hey, if you're looking for a way to make money, this is a program. This is something that people are utilizing literally daily, that they're getting commissions in. I mean, people are making over $100,000 a year with this particular program. People are making over $500 a day with this particular program, because there's so many companies out here but not a lot of education. Okay, so with the Vertex level, the 250, it gets even better. So we give you a little more traffic secrets, like actual about systems and just literally getting started. So now not only are you qualified for all the other levels, you're qualified at the 250. Guys, where else can you do that, where you can come in, get qualified for the commission, and keep just selling, keep on and keep on and keep making these commissions over and over and over, literally with training that people are going to need for their businesses? You can't beat that, okay? With the Vertex level, $500, you're going to get literally drop shipping, zero cost traffic. They're going to give you a lot of more traffic sources, because every business, the main thing that we're focused on is driving eyeballs to our pages, driving our eyeballs to our marketing system, driving eyeballs to whatever business it is we're promoting. It's a numbers game. The more eyeballs you have, the more chances are that you have of getting a sale. So that's why we focus on slamming traffic, slamming traffic. So when you hear me talk about traffic, that's what I mean. Eyeballs, people that are looking for the business opportunities, and we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, the Vertex Pro. So this is where it's getting a lot more into the busy, the more of the where we're at now. You know, when it comes to traffic, when you're coming to social media ads, when you're going to classified ads, Facebook ads, pixels, and things like that. So you know, this is where the higher ticket is going to be. But think about getting $1,000 commission. Think about getting a $500 commission. These are literally marketing strategies that most youngsters know, but a lot of older people don't know, or a lot of middle-aged people don't know. So we're going to literally, we package it all up for you to utilize. But I'm also going to talk about something that I cover in the right at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Okay, for the $2,000 level, the same exact thing. You're going to learn drop shipping, so literally CPA marketing. You're going to get everything, okay? Literally everything that you're needing to make money for this business, because of it's about training. It's about teaching you. Some people go and get in debt of hundreds or thousands of dollars worth of debt as far as school goes, but won't go and get this type of information where they can pay $2,000 for, $500 for, to get the strategies and learn them and put them for any business. See, guys, when you see me shooting YouTube videos, I promote multiple programs because I'm able to utilize these same strategies and send traffic to them. So that's why I can shoot a video today about this program and then FYI company tomorrow, because I literally have a list and I monetize each list. So one list may be getting emails strictly for this program. Another list could be getting emails strictly for that program. So that way no one gets confused about anything that's going on. We're going to show you how to do that, literally. The goal is for 2019 is to make sure that you guys be successful and learn the things that you're going to need to learn in this lifestyle or this business. Now, what I put together a marketing system, something that literally does all the selling and telling for me. And I have a sales page where the video, the company breaks it down. They break down the commissions. They break down, you know, the lot of the things that we do have in the back. So the selling and telling literally is done for you. I have proof on this page, and I'm gonna pull this up for you so you guys can check this out. So this is something that I'm gonna actually have available. So if you like it, I'm gonna make it to where you can just copy this page, save it, and it's automatically in your system, and then you can kind of go in, make changes, and do different things that you prefer or like to do with the page itself. And I'll show you how to do it. So I have a training together literally for it, utilizing this system here. So that way, you know, if you want to use videos, switch out things, you can definitely do that. I like for you to promote yourself, because if a company goes down or anything happens, you want to be able to make sure that you can just kind of take the same thing that you were doing and promote just a different program with it. You already have a list. We show you how to build a list, so that way you don't have to go out here and sponsor shop. So let me go ahead and pull this page up so you guys see exactly what it is. Okay, so right now this is the sales letter that I'm working on right here. So this is going to be a page that you guys are going to get here. Literally, and I kind of have everything where the company breaks it down here. Literally, it's a company video where they're going to break everything down. I'm still working on this portion here, but this is going to be all done up. So once you guys see this video, you know, you like it, you're definitely going to be able to have access to it, and I'm going to give you that same access to this page. So pretty much, you guys see, these are videos of me showing my proof, still $250. Other people showing proof of their commissions. Then I kind of put some picture proof here to kind of do the selling. Then I explains the additional bonuses. So guys, my goal is to make sure, you know, so let me go here. So like when you see here, it's going to allow you to sign up for Easy One Up. Then it's going to allow you to go to the next step. So for the next step, it's going to explain income stream number 2. See, I put together a system for you to learn multiple income streams as well. So here, you're gonna be able to, this is Builderall, okay? So the system that I created this with is Builderall. It's gonna show you how you can earn an instant commission with these as well. See, it's a whole system. So we're gonna teach you how to double up on the commissions, because the marketing system, you still need something that works for you. So you're gonna earn a residual income with this particular program each time someone decides they want to utilize the marketing system. And then on step 3. So step 3 pretty much is getting traffic, where I've kind of put together as far as a thing for solo ads. There's going to be another thing for SMS marketing as well that I'm going to have on here that you guys are going to be able to utilize. So when you see this page, it may look a little different. It may have it may have 2 videos, one with SMS marketing and one for Udemy. And then you're going to have access to the bonus, the social media training. So Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads. I'm going to show you guys ManyChat, how to literally have your Facebook business page on autopilot where everything's automated. So we're going to literally help you out and show you how to do these particular things, guys. And the only way that you can be involved or this is going to work for you is if you get positioned. You can set up your free account. Um, so definitely you're able to do that. So let me kind of go back here. Okay, so let me just double back here. I'm going to show you guys something here. My computer's been running a little funky. But for where we had it, where you can sign up at, pretty much you would just hit the sign up button. Once you hit the sign up button, it's going to take you where you can sign directly up with Easy One Up, set up your free account, and pick your actual product level. Okay, so that's something that you definitely want to do, is set that account up. So step one is sign up for my econ. Then step two, you're going to come right on back here, and then you're going to set up that page. So pretty much, like I said, I'm gonna actually have everything done and laid out for you guys. So I'm gonna show you how to copy the page, literally go and save it, and then once you save it, it's gonna ask you to sign up for your Builderall account. But again, the only way that you're gonna be able to utilize this particular system is Builderall as well. Now you don't have to do it, but I definitely recommend that you do it, because you need something that works for you, that's literally gonna walk you through the whole system. And before you even get to this page here, you're going to have to fill out a survey. So guys, I'm going to wrap this video on up. I wanted to shoot this for you to make instant commissions, to show you that there's something out there, to show you the proof that you can definitely do this as well. So if you have questions, definitely reach out to me. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until my next video, I look forward to working for you. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification button, so any new videos that I drop or anything, you guys are going to be notified of it. So I'm out. Peace.